Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to delete your documents here in PandaDoc. All right. So first up, just go ahead and log into your PandaDoc account. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, right off the bat, under your home section, you can just find the document that you wanted to delete. For example, this one right here. Okay. Just going to click on three dots and hit on delete. There will be a pop-up right here that says, once the document has been removed, you'll still be able to recover it from the trash. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and show you later where to locate the trash bin. Just hit on delete if you're sure and close this pop-up. Okay. Once that's done, another option is by going to the document section right here. Select the document that you wanted to delete, or you can go ahead and filter it out right here at the top. Click on status maybe, or recipients, and more. Okay. Maybe I wanted to delete drafts. Okay. Apply. Here are my drafts. Go to the far right of this document, click on three dots, hit on move to trash. Okay. Wait for it. Another one right here, three dots, hit on move to trash. Okay. So again, where do we find the trash bin? So just go ahead over to the left panel and here you have the trash. Okay. In order to delete all of these documents permanently, you can go ahead and select all and hit on delete forever. Okay. Just click on it and hit on delete. And once done, you're good to go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.